Okay, ready?
Ready?
I should have recorded. Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at the do-it-yourself drone. This is a drone you assemble yourself. And behind me, I have two of my sons. I only have two sons. Well, that's the only two I could find. Who volunteered to do this? We have Scott, raise your hand. And Corey, raise your hand. All right, here we go. So these are the drones, and they're going to assemble them. When was the last time you guys flew a drone or assembled a drone?
Never.
Exactly. And
Yeah, never.
you had to think about it. Anyways, that's true. These guys here, I'm the guy with the drones. I'm the nerd with the drones. These guys don't do drones, but that's why this should be interesting. Here we go. There you go. Have one for each of you and go crazy. You may assemble them now.
Is it a race?
No, it's not a race, but just see how well you do. Okay, so Corey, do you think you need the instructions? I notice you don't have any instructions. You emptied everything onto the table.
It's a race. I'm confident that I have the right thing. Like, this is supposed to go here. Well, yours not fit? Well, is yours upside down? Yes.
You guys are at the same location. Both of you are putting the motors on. According to my clock, it's only taken you about 4 minutes to get this far, which is pretty good. I see Scott is being extremely meticulous, getting the cables in exact, and Corey is basically, well, cables. They're just meant to hang off the drone.
Red lights.
Well, that means it's ready to go. Now you just need batteries in the controller and you're all set. Oh, it might fly. See if it flies. Try to read the instructions how to make it take off. Just don't ram it into me. Scott's got his all lit up too. He's all set. Oh, look at And now try to fly.
Oh, just control both of them. Mine's off.
Are you serious? Yeah. Are they both going? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, that doesn't make any sense. There you go. See, that's how it works. And we hit the mic. Try that again. So that's how it works. You know, we just went through this with hitting the boom mic. There you go. Now fly sideways instead. Not into the boom mic. All right, now you're gone someplace else. There we go. We have another one coming through here. Well, they fly quite well. Now he's stuck over there.
But I plugged.
All right, so
Pushes a lot of air.
hang on. So no, hang on. So this is me flying it now because, well, I'm a drone guy. So they do fly quite well, and they don't smash into cameras. Oh, hang on a sec. There is a camera over here. Your propeller's on wrong. All right, Corey and Scott, you've tried out these do-it-yourself drones. You've never flown a drone before. This was your first time. What are your final thoughts? No, you can just leave it there.
I'm ready for the big leagues. It's harder than I thought it would be.
Harder to build it or harder to fly it?
To fly it. Building easy, as long as you follow the instructions.
First time flyer? Sure. What about you, Scott? What do you think?
Yeah, it was easy to build, hard to fly.
Hard to fly. But look at you're doing so well. You're crashing it. Look, you're doing well too. You just took out Scott's eye. What are you doing? The DIY drone. So I don't know what my sons did. For some reason, they were able to get one controller to run both drones. I've been sitting here trying to get that one controller to run both drones. I couldn't do it. I don't know what they did. They work really well. Now, one thing I didn't get to show you is because of all that anarchy that happened in the video. Here, let me get this nice and close. Here's the front of the drone. I didn't get to show you this close up, but right here on each drone is a little infrared device. I think it's infrared. So that shoots an infrared blast when you push a button on your controller. And the objective is to hit the other drone. So you see with 2 drones, you're shooting one at the other. Now you can get a version of these drones with cameras. The ones I have do not have cameras, but they do have this here little blaster in the front so you can shoot each other. And when you shoot each other, well, it's a battle. And you can have a battle if you get 2 of them. That's what I was hoping to do in my video, but my sons, well, somehow they just goofed it all up. There's a lot of video I could show you because things were just getting out of control after a while. See, I have 1 controller and 2 drones. I'm gonna start one up. There we go. And now, just by using my, where's my left button here? I'm gonna fly it up in the air out of my way of my face. And there we go. So it's flying over there, and it's about to crash because I'm not controlling it. So they do work with 1 controller. All right, I'm gonna put a link below on Amazon where you can get these drones. That's the Amazon website right there. And I don't believe they're very expensive because the company actually sent me 2 of these so that I could play around with them and have battles, but you didn't see that. But if you watch videos on YouTube, I'm sure you can see people having battles with them. So I'm gonna put a link below where you can buy the DIY drone. It's a lot of fun. It would make a great gift at Christmas time. If you have 2 little people in your family, get each of them 1 of these and they will have a blast because they'll build something, they'll fly it, they can battle it against each other, and if it breaks, well, they just put it all back together. It's that easy. So it's pretty cool. It's like a big Lego kit. So anyway, so thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll catch you in the next video.